Unplugging confusion. Understanding. Pull the plug on it. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, pull the plug on it. This expression is widely used in both formal and informal settings, but what does it actually mean? Whether you're learning English as a second language or just looking to expand your idiomatic knowledge, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together. Before we understand the figurative meaning, it's essential to grasp what this phrase means literally. Imagine a device that's powered by electricity. To stop it from working, you might pull the plug out of the socket, effectively cutting off the power supply. This action immediately stops the device's operation. Keep this image in mind as we explore the figurative usage. In a metaphorical sense, pull the plug on it means to intentionally stop or terminate something. This could be a project, a plan, or even an event. The reasons for doing so can vary widely, from recognizing that the effort is no longer worthwhile to understanding that continuing could lead to negative consequences. To help you better understand how this phrase is used, let's look at a few examples. 1. Business. After reviewing the declining sales figures, the company decided to pull the plug on their newest product line. 2. Entertainment. Due to unforeseen circumstances, the organizers had to pull the plug on the concert scheduled for next month. 3. Personal plans. We were planning a trip abroad, but due to the travel restrictions, we had to pull the plug on our vacation plans. These examples showcase how the phrase can be applied in various situations, always implying an end or termination of an activity or plan. Understanding synonyms can expand your ability to express the same idea differently. Here are a few synonyms for pull the plug on: cancel, terminate, discontinue, abort, call off. Using these synonyms in different contexts can help keep your English vibrant and engaging. And there you have it. You now understand what it means to pull the plug on something. It's a powerful phrase that conveys the decision to end or stop something deliberately. We hope this video has illuminated this expression for you and added a valuable piece to your English language puzzle. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into English idioms and expressions. See you in the next video.